Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Oliver Renick, here to take you through today's market action. It was a big day for big tech. The NASDAQ led the way with a 1.5% rally. Small caps bumped up a little bit with the Russell's gain of 60 basis points. The S&P tacked on 0.4%, and the Dow was a bit lower. Leading sectors are still leading. You know them: consumer discretionary, communications, tech. The Mag 7 in the sectors, leading as a lot else was down. When you look at the other side, energy lower by 2%, healthcare down 1.25%, and materials down 1%. Let's look at some of the big stories. There's a lot of excitement about who will be joining the NASDAQ 100, Microstrategy and Palantir, two of the main highlights, heading to the NASDAQ on December 23rd alongside Axon Enterprise. Microstrategy and Palantir had monstrous rallies in 2024, up more than 540 and 340% respectively. On the other end, someone's got to go. Supermicro, Moderna, and Illumina will leave the index. Supermicro with a real short run after joining just last July. And Broadcom continued AI momentum with another ripper, 11% today. It's now up 54% on the month. The initial pop, of course, came after earnings when the company reported a 220% surge in AI revenue on an annual basis. Broadcom helped support the semiconductors today as NVIDIA notably lagged again, down 1.6%. Also in the sector, Micron deserves a mention. It was a 5.5% pop after Citi analyst Christopher Danley reiterated a price target of $150. And finally, Tesla accelerated to new highs after mega bull Dan Ives pumped up his expectations for the stock even further. The Wedbush analyst set a street high target of $515, but wait, there's more. It includes a possible $650 quote bull case for the stock if $515 wasn't bullish enough. Ives said a second Trump administration will be a quote total game changer for Tesla's full self-driving and AI story, expecting Trump's policies to make it easier to offer self-driving services. Ives estimated Tesla to hit $2 trillion in market cap valuation in 12 to 18 months. For tomorrow, earnings are light, but of course the Fed begins its meeting, and that will take center stage this week as the central bank prepares to cut interest rates according to markets. We'll also get data on retail sales and industrial production. Watch for bonds to see if any of that Fed story gets complicated. That's it for The Wrap. I'm Oliver Renick. Remember to tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com.